ఈరోజు మేము ఇది తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ కమిటీ సెక్రటరీ హరిభూషణ్ అతను ఈ డెత్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయడానికి ప్రెస్ మీట్ కండక్ట్ చేయడాము. హరిభూషణ్ died on 21st due to heart attack which is caused because he was suffering from corona. Other information about the Maoist leadership who are suffering from corona has already been given by us when we had arrested Sobarai. ఆ టైంలో కూడా మేము అందరి మావోయిస్ట్ లీడర్షిప్కి మావోయిస్ట్ పార్టీలో ఎవరైనా కరోనా వ్యాధిలో సంక్రమించుకున్నారా వారికి లిస్ట్ ఇచ్చింది. ఆ లిస్ట్లో హరిభూషణ్ పేరు కూడా ఉంది. అండ్ దట్ ఇన్ ఫర్దర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దట్ ది కుంకటి వెంకట్, Sharada, Mangli, Aruna, Nandu of Tech Team from Battalion, Sonu, Company 2 Commander Battalion, Idma, Company Commander 1st Battalion, Mula Devendra Reddy, alias Mase, and Damodar. The Anni leaders are suffering from corona. There are other Maoist party members also who are suffering from corona. In this regard, Maoist party leaders, CC members, Abhay and others had issued a statement that they are not suffering from corona. Those statements are completely false and they are misguiding the Maoist party members. At the same time, if they had any respect for human rights of these poor tribals who have joined Maoist party, they should have allowed them to come out and take a better treatment. Though all these Maoist members who have died due to corona, for their death, CC member Basavaraj, Abhay and others, they should take the responsibility. They are responsible for their death. They have not allowed them to come out for the better treatment. They are holding them back in the party. They are fearing that if they allow them to go out, these Maoist member and Dalam member might escape from the party and Maoist party will completely not survive. So for that, in Telangana, Maoist party activity will come to cease with the death of Hariభూషణ్. Many other leaders who are suffering, they are likely to come out for better treatment and they will surrender also. We appeal to them, all of them, the leaders, Dalam members and other militia members, they should come out, they should surrender before the police. Government will ensure their better treatment and the rewards which are announced on them will also be given to them. So far, this Maoist party, during this corona and the deaths which are occurring due to the corona, they have been organizing a huge gathering of Maoist members and villagers also. Tribal villagers are forced to attend such death ceremony of the Maoist leader. In that, they also are likely to get corona affected. For them also, these Maoist central committee members, their leadership should be held responsible. So these human rights violations which they are doing, they should take up responsibility and allow all these Maoist cadres, Dalam members to come out and take better treatment. That is all. Thank you.